How to set nickname in Instagram chat. So open your Instagram and select the chat icon, right? And select the user for whom you want to set up a nickname. For example, let's say that I want to set a nickname for this guy here. I'll just go open here, click on nicknames, right? Click on OK. And here nicknames are only displayed in the chat. Change who can edit your nickname. So only I can change it, of course. Now let's say I want to change a nickname here, so I can change a nickname for mine. So let's say I'll just write here, go to, and then just go and click on done, right? And let's say if I'm allowed to change the nickname of this guy or not. So actually I'm not, so I can only change my nickname of mine. So whenever, let's say I text here hi, and then you can see that this person will able to get my name in the nickname, right? So this is a way to change it, and you can change your own. And there's a one more feature where you can change the others if you are the friends and they have accepted your friend request, right? So this is a way to do it. Thanks for watching this video.